Vocabulary for problems and solutions. Read the sentences carefully. The bold words highlight vocabulary for problems and solutions. 1. We will talk about the issue of paying for space exploration. 2. What is the impact of space exploration on people today? Does it make our lives better? 3. What options do we have for paying for things like going to Mars? Is there more than one way to pay? 4. 1. Alternative. 2. The government paying for space research is private companies doing it. 5. If we do not have enough money for space exploration, it is a problem, because then scientists cannot continue the very important research they are doing. 6. It seems that a solution to the problem of not having enough money could be to tax the companies that make a profit from space exploration. 7. When people stay in space for a long time, what effects are there? Do they get sick more, or do they have trouble when they come back to Earth? Now, let's do the exercise in the table form. We will match the words from the sentences with their correct definitions. First two are done for you. For C, the answer to the problem, the word is solution. For D, the effect that a person, event, or situation has on someone or something, the word is impact. For E, a situation that causes difficulties and needs to be solved, the correct word is problem. For F, an important topic or problem that people are discussing, the word is issue. For GIAC, one of two or more things you can choose between, correct word is alternative. Great job! Keep practicing these words to improve your vocabulary for discussing problems and solutions.